To create a design band, you need to first define a design. It could be studied or simple. Either case, create the geometry of your choice, select design band, choose the ID that you want. So for example, if I wanted to make a bangle, I'm going to take an internal ID of 60. If I'm not sure what is the size of my bangle, I can always go ahead, go to Jumpstart, choose bangles, specify the size that you are looking for. So here I get to see that the diameter is 63.5 for a 2.8 bangle. So 63.5, I'm going to go in for speed build, design band, internal ID of 63.5, set geometry, define an overlap that you need and press enter. The geometry will be created in such a way that without distortion and with the overlap that you have specified, you will get a design band. If you look at it from the front view, it need not be exactly on the ID because it depends on how many turns it has taken without distortion. In this particular case, we can afford to have distortion. All I need to do is identify how much is the deviation from the ID. So in this case, it is 0.41. I can go for fine adjustment, say minus 0.41, minus 0.41, and wait for the design to be fit exactly as per the ID. You can OK it and it will give you a beautiful geometry. Observe that if the bottom object had a sub D and a poly surface, the same will be reflected on the top as well. So these are also still sub Ds, these are still poly surfaces only. It will not be converted to a mesh or anything. Whatever geometry is the input, the same will be created in the design as well.